Hey everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm just going to show you what we're doing here, guys. So my daughter and I we are doing some working on some seeds. I don't know if you can figure out what seeds these are, guys, but these are the seeds that were taken from these pineapples that I've just cut up. So I cut up this pineapple. There were about 4 pineapples. So I'm going to be juicing pineapples, cucumbers, and celery today. And while I was cutting up the pineapples, guys, I saw all these seeds in the pineapples. There are some pineapples I bought from a supermarket, and the pineapples are originally from Costa Rica, it says on the label. So they're very sweet pineapples as well. So I thought, oh my gosh, if only I could grow this. I mean, I'm in cold England, but I was actually thinking, so what I did, I said, let me just put all the seeds out, and then I could try and sow them on some compost or something. And then my daughter was so kind. She's very good at this thing anyway. She has what we call green fingers, where she literally grows everything. And in fact, we've been growing lots of things in here. We have a jackfruit seed as well that one of my kids sowed, and it grew, and then I forgot about it, so it died. And then my daughter found it and then sowed it, and then it's put it back in the soil, put it in the soil actually, and now it's growing. I'll show that to you another day. But back to these pineapples, guys. You see the intricacy of this layout. She's putting them in nice little rows. See that? Nice rows. And she has it on damp tissue paper. So she's gonna cover it. She's gonna put it in this container so it gets the environment for sprouting or for growing into seedlings. And what she's going to do after that is put tape on the top of the container. She's going to close she's going to wrap the seeds in the paper to cover it on the damp tissue paper. She's going to put the inside of this container and then cover it with the container there. And then she's going to put the dates on it and everything, and she's going to leave it. Are you going to put it by the windowsill or just in a dark cupboard? She's going to put it in a dark cupboard and leave it there, and then we're going to check on it and see if they sprout. And if they sprout, we are going to be full on, guys, with lots of pineapple seedlings ready to go in some soil. As I said, you all should know this, but if you don't and you're new to my channel, we're in the UK, so it's going to be interesting to try and keep these alive in the cold weather. But we'll work something out, and we'll keep you updated and let you watch our progress of getting pineapple plants. I think we have so far, how many seeds? See if I can count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 20 30 40 50 60. So just a rough count, about 60, and we still have more on here to come. There we go. So guys, we'll keep you posted. This is day 1, and if you've grown pineapple plants like this before, then just make a comment at the back, or not the back, but make a comment in the comment lines, guys, to tell us how yours went. And if you have any videos that you have documented your journey, then let us have a look. Just send your channel name, make a comment in the comment box, and we'll keep you updated, guys. So stay tuned.